Plants and animals say we need water every day. Water, water, precious and clear. Water is life, we all need it here. Drink it, save it, use with care. Water is magic everywhere. We drink water, sip, sip, sip. Wash our hands, dip, dip, dip. Bathe and cook and clean each day. Water helps us in every way. Plants need water to grow so tall. Animals need water, big and small. Water the plants, give pets some too. Clean, fresh water, good for you. Water, water, precious and clear. Water is life, we all need it here. Drink it, save it, use with care. Water is magic everywhere. Rain falls down from up above. Rain is the main source. Rain fills ponds and rivers wide, wells and tanks on every side. But wait, wait, listen here. Not all water is clean and clear. Dirty water has germs inside. Germs make us sick, we must be wise. Boil the water, filter too. Clean the water before we use. Store it clean and keep it tight. Cover the pot, do it right. Water, water, precious and clear. Water is life, we all need it here. Drink it, save it, use with care. Water is magic everywhere. Don't waste water, save each drop. Close the tap, stop, stop, stop. Brushing teeth, tap off tight. That small step helps a lot. Leftover water in bottle today. Water the plants, don't throw away. Veggie wash water, use once more. Plants will smile at your caring chore. Water, water, life so true. We will save it, me and you. Use it wisely, clean and fair. Water is love, we all must share.